This is clean. This is clean.
So right now, you know me is not a runner, but me I do things at my own pace. And me dep on a different thing right now. Watch good girl, watch back way. Talk to me nice. Right this so. Come check this out. So people me dep on a weight loss journey. And me a carry on along with me. Have you checked out my TikTok shop? This product is on my TikTok shop. It is the Smart Weight Hula Hoops. Yes, with adjustable links, and also it comes with the weight. This is the weight dangling. So as time goes by, you can adjust the waist according to, you know, your yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Anyway, make sure it's firm on your waist. I had it before very loose, and I realized it needs to be firm. So as time goes by and you're doing it, you will feel it contracting in your waistline. You can do it side to side, or you can do it like this. I enjoy doing it like this. So here we go. That me a talk about no goodie. Walk across this so. You're alone on the waterfront, so you have to do the things properly. Anyway, guys, now I come back with it now, because I do it in the house and then I go outside. So here we go again. Right, the Solista continue the way I do. One day, the result are going to come. And I go see the body come together. But as it is, you have to put in the effort to get results. Get yours today on my TikTok shop. Right, there, so yeah. Wula whoop, y'all. Yeah, right there, so me nah ask. Come check this out. Me like to hook up something. Walla for your hand good, y'all. Yeah, right there, so. Now make the belt lick here now, cause it's hot. Now it's time to go home. Set up my camera and then me I walk past. Watch good girl I do her own recording. Talk to me nice. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am walking towards London Bridge. So I don't want to take the bus or the train, I want to walk. So I'm gonna walk along the waterfront, and I'm going somewhere, so I will take you along with me. So guys, let's go. Flip back the camera goodie so the people them can see where you go. All right, the water rise. Normally you don't see nothing. Today it rise up. It rise right up. So anyway guys, let's go. Going towards Tower Bridge, and then I walk towards London Bridge. Rich people settings over there, so me can only look and imagine, because the rich people business over there. So you understand? Rich people settings. Them say to manifest and believe in yourself, and anything is possible. Never you say never. You can't do that. You have to tell yourself, so one day you're gonna reach too. Of course. Why not? Thank you guys for joining the live. You don't need money, you know. Just take a walk. You can just look. Take a walk and just look. You understand? Take a walk and look. Nothing wrong with that. These are tourists. Whenever you see them like this, they are tourists. Okay, we going down memory lane. Let's go. Welcome to Courage Yard. So they say this is called Courage Yard. The place festive, it busy. Much people. Too much people there today. Wanna see people? Still do the things right. And there's a shot on there. Tower of London over there. And I just be a tourist there. Yeah. See people them come out, come enjoy themselves. Walking towards London Bridge. Cause girl have some business to sort out. So cricket are going down there, so. And you can sit down here and watch cricket. You can sit down here and watch cricket. But me have somewhere to go. So me nah go can't stay there, so I watch no cricket business. But a nice little area. Put on your clothes, man, and take a walk. Yeah, exercise, and you're also enjoying London. Who get that? Say one step at a time. Rest goodie, cause you walk too fast. You walk like somebody around you down. For the people topping up the life, thank you. So, when I watch the live, and just I watch the live, so tap, 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 tap. Cha. Want my tuna? Oh, no, no, go on good. Tap up the live, man, please and thank you. I'm not ask so much. Just little taps. Just little taps like this. Tap, tap, tap. Thank you. I appreciate that. I can't show you the place. I don't know. Tap, tap, tap. Hi. How are you doing? So, let me flip back the camera. Thank you for liking the live. So, I'll go here. So, this looked like it was one warship. You see? Anyway, guys, let's go. Round here so pretty. Nice. So, it's Hayes Garden. So, I am going to flip the camera for myself because I don't have anybody recording me. So I flip the camera now and then, and that is it. I want to see. Ta-da! Anyway, guys, let's go. On the move. I don't have nobody for hold camera for me, so I don't have to hold the camera for myself. Flip camera now and then, talk up the things, and that is it. Round here, busy man. I could have walked across this. So I do my little exercise, and now I'm taking the walk over London Bridge. I have some business to sort out. So this is number 1, London Bridge. So if you come here, you need to make sure you come to number 1. Goodie, I gotta stop again and do our own little mix snack. Yeah, number 1, London Bridge. Let's go. Now I'm on the bridge. I'm on the London Bridge. One step at a time. No need to rush. Ta-da! The camera. Good girl, hold the camera, good now. That's it. I want it look like me and hold it. But shit. You know it go already. When are you alone, I have to hold the camera.
6 times.
When are you alone, I have to go out with yourself. That's the disadvantage. I'm gonna have, you know me, I'm gonna need my selfie stick. I don't have a selfie stick, and that's not good. But I'm used to it. I can do it by myself. Flip camera, goodie, flip camera. So I'm gonna end this live. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more of your girl Lisa with the love art, so I'm gonna come back live after I finish doing my business. Yeah.
That's awesome.